What's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to edit your facial expressions using Blendshapes through Unity. So first thing you want to do, if you haven't done it already, is go Camera Exporter, Export inside VRoid and click Export. Click OK after you put in all your required information. I already exported my model. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to need a couple of programs. One is the Unity. This is the version I'm using. Next is UniVRM. This is the version I'm using for this. And the last thing is VSeeFace. I'll have all of these in the description below so you can download them. Once you export your model, we're going to go to the Unity Hub and you're going to click on the down arrow near New 2019. You're going to put in your project name, whatever it is, save it wherever you want, and then have it on a 3D. Click create. When it actually opens, we're going to add in the UniVRM. All you're going to do is just take the UniVRM, drag and drop. I already have it in there, so when it shows up, it'll show up a little pop-ups window, and all you'll do is just click import, and then everything after that you just click OK. In here you're going to want to create a new folder. I already created the folder. It's called Blendshapes for mine. It's going to be for your model, so go VRM import, and import your model, and now you're going to save it in your newest folder in Unity. Alright, so now that our model is in Unity, we're going to go and to the folder that says Blendshapes at the end of it, and we're going to go on the blend shape that looks like this. And for every single one of these, you're going to change it to whatever you would like it to be. So on neutral, this is going to be her face for just how it is normally. I like to have this at 0. And you can mix these up too to make like the perfect facial expression for it. These are the vowels that are going to be for like normal talking. So this one's a big problem for many people, and that's the clipping through their eyes. So you would just go to eye close and just like move it down a little bit. There's another one besides eye close on here that you could try to use if that one doesn't work, and that's the joy for eye close. See if mixing that one with the eye close might actually fix your model's eye clipping. I would advise for all of them not having the mouth open very wide. Biggest issues for these are, one is surprised. I have it where all of them are separated out for brow, eyes, and then the mouth. This is what I have for joy. I don't like to have the eyes closed because otherwise it looks weird for doing real-time facial expressions. Don't worry about the look up, look down ones. Those are exactly how they're supposed to be. That's basically just your eye movement, and they shouldn't show any difference when clicking on them. So one of the last things you can do is create blend shape clip and type in whatever facial expression you want. I already typed in concerned. These are settings I put for concerned. This is a facial expression she should make, and you can do this as many times as you want. There's limits to some programs. If you also want to have fangs, make sure to add it to every single one of these blend shapes. And in the description below, I'll have the settings I have for every single one of these. Last thing you want to do is just drag and drop your model into the scene right here. Click on them. Click on VRM. Export. Type in your required information. Export. Export it out of Unity. Go to VSeeFace, add avatar, add your new avatar, click on the avatar. If you go settings, expression settings, which is these, you can see my newest blend shape is in there. I key it. It works. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below. Hope you have an awesome week. Later.